If you can hear those bells, I can too. And I'm sitting here with a coffee und nicht gucken, but it's like cinnamon. Let me look. This is what I got. Today I saw a German submarine on land, and second I went to Heidelberg with no plans. Los geht's. Boom baby, let's get it. Yeah, so this is a pretty big deal actually. We're on the Neckar River. Look at this. This is where they transported the submarine on a barge, I believe. And we are in a valley with wineries on the hill, castles spotting the hillsides as well. And it's a Sunday. The Germans are out and they're all trying to get a look at this submarine that is now being transported. I believe it went from the barge and now it's on the road and they're trying to move it down. And it seems to be at a point where it's stuck. So everybody's here just checking it out. Sunday activities, you know? So they're actually taking this submarine through the German countryside. It's gonna take them a month to get it from where it used to be to a museum. And it's gonna stay at the museum. And this submarine, I believe, was used post World War II, I think in the 70s. And if anybody knows specifically what this submarine is, please comment below and I will heart the comment so people can educate themselves and so that I also can be educated. All right, now let's go to Heidelberg. Heidelberg, and I'm trying to find this thing called the Philosopher's Weg, which is excuse me, which is the way of the philosopher. And today I'm just exploring. I've done so many different styles of video in my life. Vlog style, you know, with the music and the action and making things like this like more exciting than they were, I guess, because this is kind of what's happening. I'm walking and enjoying things as they happen. I have some sort of debate in my mind about what types of videos I should make, but let me just say this. My passion, maybe not even a passion, just things that I like doing. I love exploring cities, new places, right? Meeting new people, seeing new things, and sharing them is also cool. Heidelberg has a population of 160,000 people, and 25% of them are actually students, which makes it ein Studentenstadt, as the Germans would say, which means student city, which also makes perfect sense. Das hier ist Heidelberg. That's the view right there. Beautiful Heidelberg, one of the most famous cities, at least to tourists, in Germany. Why? I don't know. I'm gonna find that out today. But I do know that there's a city, or there's a university here, and I know that many. That's all I know. Frick. But right now I am overlooking the Neckar River and trying to combat my fear of filming in public. I'm not kidding. No matter how long I have filmed, I have always had this weird feeling of filming in public and having people see me as like a social media person. Why is that the case? I don't know. It's just like I don't like that feeling of filming in public. Anyways, ciao. I took a picture for some people and they said danke, and I said bitte und ciao. Interesting thing is some people have private gardens on this side of the river, overlooking the river and the city. I'm not sure, can you hear the lady singing opera? On the hill, on the other side of Heidelberg, that's Heidelberg across the river, there's this Philosopher's Way, and there's a bunch of places that you can walk up in the mountains, some trails. Cool thing that I think is on both sides of this Philosopher's Way, there are little gardens. The famous German gardens, it seems, the ones where people rent these places and then they can kind of put like little huts or houses to store their things. And what I've noticed is there are people that have their friends gathering at these little huts or houses, and they're having beer, they're having soda, they're having conversation overlooking Heidelberg, and I thought that was cool enough to share. So this right here is the main bridge, I believe, that goes directly to the city center. There's the church, up on the hill is the castle, and then I think it would make more sense for me to go there, show you. Alright, now I'm going down the Schlangenweg, which means the snake way in German, and the reason being is because it's pretty steep and it's winding like a snake from this hill all the way down to river level and the bridge. As you're walking down the snake way, there's a bunch of raspberry bushes. And I think you call raspberries Heidelberries, right? Heidelbeeren, I think. Is that why this place is called Heidelberg? I don't know. It might be part of it. That was a sour one. Aber gut, gut und gesund essen. It's pretty cool actually. It's winding all the way down. Leaves and grapes right here. Berries hanging over, moss on the walls. You can tell it's pretty old. And you can hear people talking from a far way off because the sound kind of travels through, just like a Schlangenweg snake. If you like history, you can pause that screen and read about the Schlangenweg. Now I'm going across the bridge. Oh, what? Dude, they have the Empel mentioned from Berlin. This is a beautiful view, man. The river is shiny, sparkling. It does remind me of the bridges that I've been to in Prague. Also, Heidelberg is the home of Germany's oldest university, which was founded by the Pope in 1386. And not only that, but the university is the alma mater of 8 Nobel Prize winners. Das hier ist die Heiliggeistkirche, which is translated to the Church of the Holy Spirit. It is built in the Romanesque and Gothic style. I mean, this place is definitely aesthetically beautiful. If you're talking about the colors, the art on the wall, just the views of the hill and the castle, flowers, old architecture. It does remind me a little bit of Florence when I first walk in, probably because Florence is one of the places that I have been that's similar, where the castle's right in the middle. And I guess maybe more than just the fact that the castle's right in the middle is all the outdoor eating areas, people drinking beer, drinking wine, Aperol Spritz, eating Italian food, taking photos. It's very touristy, but I can definitely see why. It is a fairy tale type vibe, and it's sunny, it's summer, it's very beautiful. Amazing, all these little cafes. I'm tempted to get some hummus mit mayo. That's dope. Beautiful color, beautiful car. Top down. I'd love to get one way, one day. I'd love to drive around in that color car in Germany, but probably Porsche 911 or that one. You can see at the top of the screen Heidelberg Castle. This is a Gothic Renaissance architecture thingamajig. If you can hear those bells, I can too. And I'm sitting here with a coffee and nicht gucken, but it's like cinnamon. Let me look. Bro, I'm just getting back into filming, seriously. I feel so awkward walking around filming myself. And when I see people looking at me, I get embarrassed, like I told you. What the frick, why? I don't know. I don't know. This is what I got. Frosting, soft bread, tastes like sugar and bread. Roast. There's a castle too. Right there. Outside of the main city center, the town is pretty quiet in like a normal German village, I would say, based on the 2 streets that I've gone down that are not in the city center. There we go, walking up a side street that looks unique. That's cool, bro. Look at that. Oh, this is somebody's private area right here. And the hill that I started the video on is right there. You can see the forest behind me. So I'm in the city, goes river, then forest. Way up there, and you can hike pretty much all the way up there and look down on the city. Cool fact is that this church used to house the Bibliotheca Palatina, and this was the most important library of the German Renaissance period. Palatinate or Palatina is actually designating the electorate of Palatinate. I'm sorry, I'm butchering this. The Palatinate was a constituent state of the Holy Roman Empire, which is a crazy fact. Something that also piqued my interest was the fact that philosophers and writers such as Goethe, Max Weber, and Mark Twain all found inspiration. All these guys found inspiration in Heidelberg, and they mentioned the city in their works. And Mark Twain even spent several months in Heidelberg during 1878, and he mentions the city in his work, A Tramp Abroad. I thought that was pretty cool. Dude, I have not posted on my channel consistently for so long. And now that I'm thinking about this, is a beautiful little place. Look. See, that's the beauty of walking around without a plan. But I was thinking on the way here, before I go back to my original thought, I have to incorporate being planned and also being spontaneous, because being spontaneous is the reason why I even started my channel, and that's one of my strengths, I would say, is just going to a new place and seeing things. But then planning things out and having like checkpoints that you can hit also in your life, as well as being able to adjust if things happen. That's a valuable asset as well. But what I was saying is, it would have been cool if since 2017, the first day that I started my channel, that I would have made videos every day. That I would have made videos every single day as more of like a diary, you know? Because I wish I would have also wrote every day too. I'm just talking in my camera. And here's some flowers. Basically what I'm saying is I have no idea what I'm doing in life. But I'm just trying to figure it out. Look at this Fiat. It just looks cool against the green backdrop. I think it's kind of like a commercial, yeah? It's nice green. I like that shade of green. Cobblestones. Nice plants right here. Bro, yeah. This is the fun part of life, just exploring. Look at that, bro. Nice window, plants out the front. That's the spot right there, to just chill with your significant other, have a coffee. Nice wooden door. This is where you chill with yourself. But yeah, I've been in such a whirlwind, it seems, in my life. And I don't consider myself unique in that, because we're all going through it. Just like in life. Look at these flowers, bro. Are you serious? Look how vibrant those are. Cool. Okay, now I'm walking onto the main street, where I'm gonna have to brave the people looking at me and wondering what the frick I'm doing. Such a beautiful place, you know? So many unique people, and unique people build and create unique things, including cars, sidewalks, cities, to go with the sound, cigarettes, and also, you see that number right there? I'm just going with the flow. This 20 CMB 17, I learned from my friend the other day that this is something that happens during Christmas. Germans, correct me if I'm wrong. And it has to do with the three kings. And basically the three kings come to your door, and I believe they give you the year, I think that's the year, 2017, that they came, and these are their names, and it's like a blessing. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you see this above the door in Germany, it has to do with the three kings from the Bible, those that were going to go see Jesus. It has to do with them going, it has to do with them blessing the house. Anyways, let's keep going. Alright, have you guys ever seen those vloggers who just walk around the city like this? And they just talk while they're looking at things? I feel like that might be a better style for me than editing as I get older. Maybe. Alright, so we got normal city graffiti, but beauty that is different than most cities. In the cobblestones and this type of view. I wish you can see it a little better. There you go. Forest that I was in before, up there. Yeah, but what about live streaming, just walking around? That'd be cool. Damn. I'm just walking and looking at things. Just walking and looking at things. See, for me, damn. Also, if you wanted to know, the cobblestones in Heidelberg, Germany are made of granite, which is durable and provides the old town with its characteristic charm and historic ambiance. That was from ChatGPT.
Ich glaube, Lomo.
They have a Starbucks coffee on the Hauptstraße. American businesses have come here. It's always, to me, like crazy to see. I'm crying because I'm drinking soda and it made me cry. It's crazy to see like Subway on the same street as 100-year-old church. To me, that's interesting. Verrückt. Something that's interesting for me as an American to see is the contrast between super historic streets and buildings and then American brands like Foot Locker, Subway, Dunkin' Donuts, and Five Guys. The Emblemenschen are very cool to me. They come from East Germany and they're found in Heidelberg as a cultural homage and reminder of Germany's reunification. So they were basically placed there after the reunification of Germany in 1989. See that? It's like a party boat on the river. That's pretty cool. They got boats, people partying. There's the hill, and then these are some really nice apartments across the river there. And then, right here, a nice cafe serving coffee on the main street.